Hello guys, it's Nona Prince and today we're talking about the Kannada film Rama Rama Re, written and directed by D. Satya Prakash. The screenplay was co-written by Dhananjay Ranjan and Nagendra HS, starring K. Jairam, Nataraj and many more. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Okay, when I read the synopsis of this film, the two-liners, I was like, wow, what a great idea. But I couldn't say the same things after watching the film. Now, this was a very weird experience of watching a film because there were some moments in the film which were like, oh my god, outstanding. But then there were some moments were like, what? Really? What am I watching? And then other moments were like just average. The comedy in the film doesn't work at all for me. All the bad scenes were those. All the side characters were just caricatures. The tone of the film was so inconsistent. The film is making fun of, the family of the couple who are on the run, calling out the nonsense of honor killing and everything. But it's just so badly done. I cannot even call it acting. The way they were standing, the way the frames were shot, it was so badly executed. Now I don't know it was by design or it was just badly done. But when the film gets serious, mostly in the second half, it's just amazing sequences. So well done, so much depth, so good dialogues, amazing lighting, well shot, so well edited. The performance hit hard. The characters are pondering about their life. That's what I wanted in the film. And I'm suddenly like, am I watching the same movie? Is it the same film? Like half an hour ago, I was just struggling to watch this film and now I'm like, oh my god, this is so good. Again, as I said, the whole idea, the concept, the setup is so good. It could have been a masterpiece, but it's not. They are such interesting characters and what a coincidence that they all meet and they are on this road trip together. Wow, such a brilliant idea. The things that could have happened between the characters like this. But all of this is just way down, to add comedy, to add these commercial elements. That couple was so cringy. And that's a trope, I've seen in a lot of South Indian cinemas. You have this comedic character who's so irritating and over the top. It just doesn't work for me. By the end of the film, even Subbi's character became better, but he was unredeemable. The cinematography is really good. When there are few characters, their focus is limited. We get so many wide shots of the whole landscape, that how lonely and alone they are. It's done really well. But the moment there's so many characters in, it just, I don't know what happened, but it doesn't work for me. I feel the writing is really good, I just love that ending. The whole redemption arc for the character was so good. They have this theme of Mahabharata, with Lord Krishna and Arjun, that how Lord Krishna is helping Arjun to understand life, giving him the lessons. I feel at the end, that whole song, it was just too much on the face. There's definitely ambition, but the execution is just flawed. I'm so pissed off because it could have been so good, but it isn't. I watched it on YouTube with subtitles, but I think the first 5 minutes don't have subtitles. I don't know why. I think it's officially uploaded on YouTube. This is on technical detail. Now what films do is that if there's a character on the right side of the screen, or the sound should be coming from the right side, so there are two channels. So in post-production or editing, you can play with those channels. So if you make the left channel 0, you'll only hear the sound from the right side. And if you make the right sound 0, you'll only hear from the left side. And they do that in this film. But the problem is that when you hear something from this side, in 3D space that the sound is coming from this side. But both your ears get those sounds. But what in the film they do is that they totally lower the left side and the sound is only coming from the right side, and that feels abrupt. That takes you out of the film. Now something is wrong because you're not used to it. If they had not made left side 0, just little bit, maybe 20 or 30, it would have made more sense. You would have got that feeling, oh, it comes from this side. I know all this because I've done this. I've made those issues. I've made those mistakes myself. Slowed down clips, I've talked about it a lot of times. They shot the scene normally in 24 FPS, but they wanted to stay on this, wanted a slow motion, but they didn't shoot it for slow motion, so they just slow down the speed of that footage. Again, I have done these things, so I know I can just call these things out. Easily, there could have been so many things cut down from the film and it would have still made sense. I think the whole escape part, everything could have been cut down, not needed at all. Directly start from them on the road and end them on the road, that's it. Acting, like the film, was on and off. In the tender moments, in the personal moments, the acting was really good, the performance came out, but other scenes, it was just bad. It was just an up and down throughout the film. Like there's a great film somewhere in there, you just have to pull it out. So guys, that is the video. I'm sorry if you're disappointed from my review, because that's my honest opinion. I had got a lot of comments to watch this film, review it. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos. If you like them too, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.